Sean Wheat reporting for 580 WIBW News and WIBWNewsNow.com. On scene here at Wendy's at 8th and Topeka, where authorities are investigating the armed robbery where a man entered the store, robbed at a gunpoint, and then fled the area in a vehicle. Now, officers originally found the vehicle and witnessed the man get into it and then pursued it for several blocks, and it ended around 9th and Lindenwood, just west of this location. Well, it was a high-speed chase, according to police. But when the vehicle stopped, the suspect got out and ran, but still inside the car. The driver, who was arrested and taken into custody, a passenger also taken into custody, and a baby strapped in properly, according to authorities. Now, the driver of that vehicle can be charged with child endangerment, along with several other charges, because they're the ones who fled in the vehicle and had the pursuit. The suspect could be charged with several other crimes, including the armed robbery of this restaurant. Now, authorities and Sheriff K-9 units were able to find the man hiding outside an abandoned home in the 800 block of Lindenwood. We'll, of course, have more details about this story on our website, WIBWNewsNow.com. I'm Sean Wheat for 580 WIBW News and WIBWNewsNow.com.